Go. Okay, so we're baking my late-ass birthday cake.
20 million years later.
It's
So fucking thick. It's supposed to be thick or like, you put like that much water. Like just so. It's kind of thick.
Let's put this bitch on top.
Like that. Okay.
Okay. Like that much.
Así en medio.
That's like very. Damn, that thing is slippery.
Oh shit, so oil, that's somebody else. Because if I don't clean up, my mama gonna get me.
Oh, sorry. That was a weird laugh. Oh, girl, you gothic or what? Guarda la pinche basura, güey, o qué pedo. Chingas a toda tu madre. So, like, earlier she dropped her phone in the trash can. How funny is that? How funny is that?
Is that good or what?
I'm horny.
Ew, just kidding. Dude, I don't even know if I have that stuff so the thing won't stick. It says, set your oven to prepare
I don't think you need it.
from sticking by lightning coating butter pad with no stick cooking spray. Or use...
That's...
Oh, I need flour!
Flour!
And you can also use flour. So it won't stick. La masa, güey.
That's what's up, that's what's up.
Wait, is this masa or what?
Más seca, güey.
Ándale, esta cosa.
My mom works for a company. That company. Well, you know, sometimes.
Okay, so we're gonna make just like the regular pan or what?
For what? Oh shit. Ruby.
This is good, right?
Oh, hi. I did not write in your refrigerator.
You can't do it because my mom's good.
Fuck your mom. Just kidding. I love your adorable mom. She's the best mom ever.
This is weird flour, but it's gonna keep it from non-sticking, you know what I'm saying?
You sound like you're making a makeup tutorial.
It's gonna give it a little bit more touch, you know? Así o más, güey. Así está bien.
Así está bien, güey. Ya,
Toda la casa más.
toda la pinche bag.
Okay, keep it this way, please.
You go, girl. Oh, yeah, work the abs.
Work fast. No, pero ya chill que yo... You wanna look at shit?
This is my birthday cake, so I'm not doing shit.
Fuck you. I love it.
I think I'm sick.
It tastes good.
Oh, can I like it?
Like it. Take a shit.
I'm trying to eat here.
Okay, now you're gonna pour it into this shit.
Is she laughing?
What does it mean by...
Oh, yeah, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't do it. Just a small spot there. Oh, got it. Oh, yeah. You're an expert.
So happy I baked my own cake.
Your own? Bitch, it's mine.
Mm-hmm.
Well, two.
Pass me the spoon.
No. This one? The dirty one and the...
Facebook? Yeah, sure. It
Yeah.
has like... Oh, that shit.
Okay, so say his name again. I stopped it.
Pablo.
Pablo. Bitch, you're not supposed to do that.
Fuck you.
Just kidding, I don't know.
That's a real laugh.
Bitch, you didn't even mix it right. Look.
I did not do that, son. No. I did not poison it.
Look, it's not. I still see the fucking powder.
Hey, this is my first time doing it.
No, I'm not. My bra goes up, alright. What? What?
Sorry.
Tell me, what did you say?
You scratched your pits.
No, I was putting my bra
I'm
down.
just fucking with you, literally.
You better be. No, hombre, no más para ponernos el pinche pants.
Gonna get all that good stuff, go.
Hey, that was on purpose.
Okay. It has to be.
Oh, it tickles. Or is it? Or is it real? Oh!
Seal or something. Freaking walrus.
You're a fucking seal. Brother, just grab this. Oh, yeah. You know, I'm like the, what's it called? What do you call them people that hold the camera and do nothing?
People.
Bat people?
Like,
Huh.
right? I'm gonna be a great mom.
Sure, why not?
I don't know why.
That's why you still leave the little pieces of powder in the cake. Girl, you didn't even mix this right.
What's that shit?
You should have let me mix it. Your next birthday.
I will be your girl. Hi. Your face. I got into it.
Bro,
What?
I'm thirsty. Can I get some, like, what do you have?
Dr. Pepper. That's all.
I was gonna say that anyway. Like, the regular one, you know?
What are you doing?
Dr. Pepper.
I don't have no regular one. Like, that's like the only thing I had to drink. Because mom hasn't went shopping yet.
What is it called? Dr. Pepper 10?
It just has 10 calories. I mean, it doesn't taste different. I drank it. It tastes good.
Well, do you have any Capri Sun or something?
Oh my god, fucking hot.
Okay, well then put it in. What are you waiting for? Put it in. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at this bitch's, what's it called? Oh, yeah, Christmas tree. Let me tell you, you do not want to see mine. Like I said, it's full of ghetto-ass spears from 5 years ago.
It's supposed to smell like that? It's like burning oven.
No, I think it does, because it's hot, that's the point, right?
Oh, yeah, but I'm kind of scared.
Did you put it in? If you get like in the very top level of scariness, well, then we'll just turn it off. No biggie. No biggie.
Oh,
I'll go to the restroom.
I don't smell shit, nigga. So like, this is perfect for me, so I can get fatter, you know.
Wait a moment.
So bad. That shit's strong. What?
What if it burns up?
Mommy's here. Mommy's work.
Cool. I need to go to the restroom.
Ask Keisha not here.
With no shit.
Oh, you look good.
Well, Franchelli has spirits. Like, every season she changes her fucking table.